Jetblue 20 with you 4 right, speeds 160.
Jetblue 20, Kennedy Tower, traffic 2 o'clock, 7 miles westbound along the shoreline, 500, type unknown. Wind 10015, gust 21, gain and loss of 10 knots, reported below 700 feet. Runway 4 right, clear to land.
Got all that, clear to land 4 right, Jetblue 20.
Jetblue 20, traffic now 2 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, altitude indicates 500, type unknown.
We're looking at Jetblue 20. Jetblue 20 leveling off for RA.
Jetblue 20, roger. You can fly runway heading for now and maintain 2,000.
We're going around.
Jetblue 20, fly runway heading, maintain 2,000.
Runway heading 2,000, Jetblue 20. Jetblue Tony, we never saw the traffic, but on the TCAS he was very close.
Jetblue 20, roger. You can start a right turn, 100, maintain 2,000, and contact approach 135.9.
Okay, 100, 2,000, what was the frequency again?
135.9.
135.9, Jetblue 20.
Jetblue 20 near departure.
Jetblue 20 with you, return into heading 100, altitude 2,000.
Jetblue 20, turn right heading 220.
Right turn 220, Jetblue 20.
And Jetblue 20, maintain 210 knots.
210 knots, Jetblue 20.
Jetblue 20, contact final 13, cushion 128.12.
2812, Jetblue 20. Jetblue 20 with you, turn in heading 220, 2,000 feet, speed 210.
Jetblue 20, thanks. What happened, a little guy down there along the shoreline?
Yeah, we got an RA to level off, and the target was like right on us.
Alright, you want to go to 4 left this time, or you want to stay on the right?
Right's fine, we're all set up.
Okay, plan it, 4 right.